In this video, I will cover a suggested fixture setup, the tool setup sheet, and how to set up the stock in preparation for machining your part. The stock is being held in a vise, which would be mounted to a table within your machine. The origin is selected in this corner. The stock is held in a vise on parallels to ensure the end mill does not hit the vise. We can see that I will be using two tools to cut the part. A 1-inch flat end mill will be used to cut the steps of the part, and a 3/8 inch drill will be used to drill the holes. At this point, we want to select a machine definition. A machine definition is a model of your machine's capabilities, features, and acts like a template for setting up your job. The machine definition ties together three main components: the schematic model of your machine tools components, the control definition that models your controller and its capabilities, and the post-processor, which generates the required code to make your machine operate. To select a machine definition, go up to the menu bar and choose Machine Type, Mill, Default. For all tutorials, we will be using this default machine. Once you have selected the default machine, you should see it in the Operations Manager on the left. If you cannot see your Operations Manager, press Alt-O on your keyboard to see it. Now we will set up our tool settings in stock. Choose the plus sign next to Properties, and from the expanded list, choose Tool Settings. The Machine Group Properties dialog box will appear. From here, input a program number of 1. This will input a program number at the top of your NC code. Also, enable the option to assign tool numbers sequentially and warn of duplicate tool numbers. Warn of duplicate tool numbers will warn you if you're creating or entering a tool with the same number. Next, I will enable all of the advanced options. This will keep the clearance, retract, and feed plane values you input and carry them over into the next tool path. Once complete, select the Stock Setup tab as shown. Ensure that the shape is set to rectangular and enter the dimensions 3 by 3 by 1 inch. Also, enable Display, Fit Screen, and move the arrow to the following location. This will allow us to see the stock that we've just created. Select the OK button to exit the Machine Group Properties dialog box. From here, pick the isometric graphics view and fit screen to view your stock. Note that the stock is not geometry and cannot be selected. This will complete the fixture setup, the tool setup sheet, and how to set up the stock in preparation for machining your part. In the next video, I will show you how to machine the 0.375 inch step using Open Contour toolpath.